In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located in the front of the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a set of pinch-off clamps, we're going to pinch off the coolant hoses going to the reservoir. One more down on the side. Pinch the clamp. Pull it back. Remove the hose. Remove the 10mm bolts for the coolant reservoir. Lift straight up on the coolant reservoir, pulling it off of the tab right here. Tilt the reservoir down so all of the fluid goes to the right side. Remove the coolant hose. You may have a little leakage from the hose. Be sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Install the new coolant reservoir. Install the coolant hose. Pinch the clamp, pull it forward. Install the two bolts. Snug the bolts down. Install the top cooling hose. Be sure it's fully seated. Pinch the clamp. Pinch the clamp and pull it to its original position. Remove the clamps. Open the cap for the reservoir. You can transfer the old coolant to the new reservoir. You can fill the reservoir with new coolant to the max fill line. Install the cap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.